All right, 6.4, number 13 by request. A travel agent offers a group rate of $2,400 per person. So I'm just going to write that down, 2,400 per person. Let's see, for a week in London if 16 people go. Okay. For each additional person who signs up, we're going to reduce the price by 100. So less $100 for each additional person. That means for everybody, by the way. They're not going to drop the $100 only on the 17th person who goes. If 17 people go, they drop everybody's price by $100. Person additionally, I suppose I should say. All right. Let X equal the number of additional people who sign up. Write expressions for the total number of people who signed up. Well, we had 16 plus X. That's the number of people who signed up. That equals the number of people. And let's see. Write an expression for the price per person. Price per person. It started as 2,400, but they're going to lose 100 for every additional person. If X is the number of additional people, well, then they pay 2,400 minus X. And then finally, the revenue. Revenue is, remember, as we discussed in class, is price times number of people or number of objects sold. The price here is 2,400 minus 100x, and the number of people that are going are 16 plus x. That's our revenue function. And then how many people must show up to maximize this function? So our function R of x, our revenue function, is actually quadratic. 2,400 minus 100x times 16 plus x. If you multiply those out, that would be quadratic. No need to multiply them out though. I could just find out what are the x-intercepts here. You would set 0 equal to 2,400 minus 100x times 16 plus x. And so that would tell me that x is equal to 24 or x is equal to a negative 16. And so if I were to quickly plot those, negative 16 and positive 24, halfway between will be our vertex for this parabola. Remember, halfway is just the average of two numbers. So x vertex is just the average of negative 16 and positive 24. Just add those up, divide by 2. 16, negative 16 plus 2, that's 8 over 2 or 4. So I know that the x value for the vertex is at a value of 4. And I know that this parabola is going to be opening downward, because if you were to multiply this negative 100x times a positive x, it'd be a negative 100x squared, an upside down parabola. So I happen to know the x value for the vertex, or the y value for the vertex, is going to be up there. Let's go ahead and find out that y value, right? So let's even if I think that how many people must, yeah, they're not actually asking this part, but I'm going to figure it out anyway. So the y value for the vertex is just the revenue evaluated at the x value for the vertex, or in other words, the revenue evaluated at 4. They didn't ask for this, but I'm doing it. So if I plug 4 in, I'll get 2,400 minus 400, or 2,000. And again, 16 plus 4 is 20. That's 40,000. That's the maximum revenue. But it occurs if 4 extra people go. So the total number of people that should go to maximize revenue, total number to maximize revenue. Remember, we already had 16 people going. We're inviting 4 other people. So total to max revenue is 20. And that's it.